Children, today we will start chapter 14, that is equation. What is equation? You have solved already. Equivalent statement which have one or more than one algebraic number are called equation. Second, to solve an equation, both sides of it are multiplied by the same number. To solve an equation, both sides of it are divided by a same number. When it is needed, we multiply. When it is needed, we divide. To solve an equation, same number is added or subtracted from both sides. That means we can multiply, we can divide, we can add or subtract on the both sides with the same number to find the value of equation. Is it clear? We denote the unknown number variable x, y, z as you are getting in unit test in maths out of 10, 6. Maths is a subject, but in mathematics we don't know the variable. We denote it with a to z. We denote it with a to z. Change every word of the problem into a mathematical statement. We changed all the number into a statement also. Identify the variables that are equal and make a proper equation. We also make a equation also after reading a statement. Solve the equation to find out the unknown variable. We solve the equation to find the unknown variable. The variable may be a, b, c or x, y, z. Anything it may be. Variety, whether the solution satisfy the condition and the equation that has been made. We verify. It is verify. VE. It is verify, not VERIFY. Verify. The spelling over here is mistake. Verify whether if there is a LHS and RHS. Equal sign shows the left side LHS and the equal sign right side it shows the RHS. We solve LHS separately and RHS separately. If both the values are coming, then the variable what we have got out to solve the equation, that is correct. Now we will see the chapter. Exercise 14.1. Identify which of these are equation. Few questions are given. In this we have to find which is equation. See, x minus 4 equal 10. We can find the value of x. Transpose 4 this side. That means x equal 10 plus 4. That means it is a equation. Question number 2. X minus 4 minus 10. Equal sign is not there. So question number 2 is not a equation. Now question number 3. 2y minus 3 plus 9. Here also equal sign is not there. So it is not a equation. Fourth, 5 bracket start 2y minus 3 bracket close equal 15. Equal sign is there and one variable is also there. So it is a equation. Fifth, 3x plus 4. 0 is not there. We cannot find the value. So fifth is not a equation. Question number 6. 7 equal 2x minus 5. We can find the value of x because equal sign is there. So it is a equation. Question number 7. 3 minus 2x equal 2x. We can find the value of x because equal sign is there. We can solve 3x minus x, that is 1x equal 2x. We can solve it. This is a equation. Now 8. 5 upon x equal 3. 5 upon x equal 3. We can transpose 3 towards x and x towards 3 and we can find the value of x. So x upon 5 upon x equal 3 is also a equation. 9th. 4.5 plus 3.2 x equals z. If two variables are there, we cannot find a value of one variable. That is not a equation. Last, Ly plus Lx equal Px. Here two variable x is there, we can transpose and we can find the value of x. So question number 10 is also a equation. Question number 2. Identify the LHS and RHS in the given equation. Just now I have explained equal sign divides LHS and RHS. Equal sign left side is LHS and equal sign right side is RHS. That means x minus 5 is LHS, 9 is RHS. 2x minus 3 is LHS, 7 is RHS. 2y is LHS, 9 minus y is RHS. 2y is LHS, 6 is RHS. 15 is LHS, 2a plus 5 is RHS. Is it clear? Now see the question number 3. In the following statement, use y for the unknown number and change them into equation. This statement we have to change it into this type of equation. How? 3 subtract from twice of the number gives 17. Now listen it very carefully. 3 subtract from means the second number and the first number we know from class 3rd and 4th we are learning the from. Now what it is said, again I am repeating the question. 3 subtracted from twice of a number. We don't know number, what it is said to take? Y. From, after from, what it is there? Twice of a number. So we have to write that number first. What is subtracted? 3 is subtracted. Now gives means equal 17. Is it clear? Now the second. The sixth part of the number is 7. Sixth part of the number. We don't know the number. We will take the number y. Sixth part means upon. Divide 6. Of the number is means equal. How much it is? 7. This you can write like this also. What it is said? The sixth part. The sixth part. Sixth part means 1 upon 6. Of the number. Of means multiply. The number means y. Is means equal 7. These two conditions are same. Now the third question. The difference of the number and 5 is. First what it is said? The difference of the number. So what is the number we know? That is y. Now difference minus 5 is means equal 8. Is it clear? Now question number 4. 7 multiplied by the number and 5 subtracted gives 9. 7 multiplied by a number. 7 multiplied by a number. And 5 subtracts. 5 subtracts gives equal 9. Now you are grown up children, no need of using this multiply. You can directly write 7y minus 5 equal 9. As the question is said, 7 multiplied by a number. 7 multiplied by a number. If nothing sign is here means it is multiplied. Subtracted 5 gives means equal 9. Is it clear?